Rise and shine, children! How do you feel today? Wow, that's good to hear, children. Now, let's have a short review. Tell me the steps in solving word problems involving subtraction.
Teacher, the steps in solving word problems involving subtraction are the following. Know what is asked in the problem. Know what are the given facts. Know what operation to be used. Know what equation will be formed. And lastly, solve and check your answer.
Very good, children. Now, let's try to solve the given word problem. Follow the steps in solving. There are 50 apples in a shop. 34 of the apples are red and the rest are green. How many green apples are there? Let's have the first step. What is asked in the problem?
Teacher, how many green apples are there?
Very good. What are the given facts?
Teacher, there are 50 apples in a shop and 34 red apples.
Very good. What operation to be used?
Teacher, it is subtraction.
Good job, children. What equation will be formed?
50 minus 34 is equal to n.
Very good, children. Now, solve and check your answer.
50 minus 34 is equal to 16. To check, 34 plus 16 is equal to 50. Therefore, there are 16 green apples.
Wow! Good job, children! Now, please listen carefully because at the end of our lesson, you must be able to count groups of equal quantity using concrete objects up to 50, show objects with groups of equal quantity using concrete objects up to 50, and write an equivalent expression in grouping of the objects. Do you understand, children? Okay, good. Now sit properly, eyes on the screen, and listen. Let's enjoy learning about groupings. What is grouping? When we say grouping, it is a set of people or things that have something in common. The action of putting things or arranging in a group or groups. First one is finding the number of objects. Look at the pictures below. There are tomato ketchup and chili sauce. There are 3 groups. Each group has 2 bottles. 3 groups of 2 is equal to 6. Since we have 3 groups with 2 bottles each, count in twos. 2, 4, 6. So 3 groups of 2 is equal to 6. Another example, we have bananas. There are 5 groups, as you can see in the picture. Each group has 3 bananas. 1, 2, 3. 5 groups of 3 is equal to 15. So since we have 5 groups with 3 bananas each, count in threes. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Therefore, there are 15 bananas altogether. Next, finding number of groups. For example, there are 8 cans. Put 2 cans in each group. How many groups are there? Let's count first the cans. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 cans. So how many groups are there? There are 4 groups of cans. Another example. There are 15 candies. Put candies in each bag. How many bags are there? We have to encircle groups of 5. Therefore, there are 3 bags of 5 candies. Let's have an activity to know if you really understand our lesson today. Look at the pictures and fill in the blanks. There are blank vases. Each vase has blank flowers. Blank groups of blank is equal to blank. Therefore, there are blank flowers in all.
Teacher, there are 4 vases. Each vase has 3 flowers. 4 groups of 3 is equal to 12. Therefore, there are 12 flowers in all.
Very good, children. How about the next word problem? Anna has 9 pencils. She puts 3 pencils in each group. So, what is your answer? There are blank groups of 3 pencils. How many groups are there, children?
Teacher, there are 3 groups of 3 pencils.
Wow! Good job, children! What have you learned in today's lesson?
I learned about how to group set of objects by finding the number of objects and number of groups.
Answer the activities in your math book. That's all for today, children. I hope you learned a lot. Enjoy the rest of the day and have fun. Goodbye!